The strapping system on the iWALK is very simple, but it's often used incorrectly, so please follow along carefully. The strap consists of two parts. The black section is used for permanently adjusting the length of the strap. That is its only purpose. Normally, it's a one-time adjustment. The blue section is used only for tightening and loosening the straps. You will tighten the blue section every time you put on your iWALK, and you will loosen the blue section every time you take off your iWALK. In order for the iWALK to work, the straps need to be adjusted very tight. If the straps are too loose, the crutch is wobbly and unstable. Properly tightened, the crutch becomes a part of your leg and is easily controlled and stable. To adjust the straps for the first time, first remove the pads from the straps and set aside. Now, fully extend the straps. Lift on the end of the gray buckle and fully extend the blue section of the strap. Then fully extend the black section. Install the black T-lock buckles onto the crutch. The black buckles belong on the inside of your leg, so for your right leg, install them on the left side. For the left leg, install them on the right side. Now we're going to permanently adjust the straps to the proper length for your leg. Make sure you don't have any twists in the straps. Adjust the strap length using the black permanent adjustment section until the strap is snug against your leg. Now, fully tighten the strap by pulling the blue section. The gray buckle and the blue buckle should be almost touching. The strap should be really tight at this point. Test the strap tension by trying to remove the blue buckle. It should be impossible to remove. If you can remove the buckle, then the permanent length adjustment on the black side of your strap is too long. You need to shorten it. Here's how. Reinstall the blue buckle, then fully loosen the blue section of the strap. Next, shorten the permanent length adjustment section by pulling on the end of the black strap. Test the strap length by pulling the blue section tight again. Test your setting by trying to remove the blue buckle. Repeat this process until you cannot remove the blue buckle. If the strap has the proper tension, but the blue and gray buckle are not touching, then the permanent adjustment black section is too short. You need to lengthen it. Here's how. Slightly lengthen the black section by lifting on the gray buckle, then retighten the blue side. Check again for proper tension. Now remove all three straps by loosening the blue side only and removing the blue buckle. Then remove the crutch. Replace the pads. Note that the longer pad goes in the position behind your knee. Wrap it as tight as possible. Note that the two Velcro strips attach to the fabric, not to each other. Test the straps one last time.